I am going to show you how you can add a call to action button or the stop button on your business page. So I'm going to my business page. I will now have the stop now button. If you have a different button, such as the sound message button, what you do is that I just move my mouse cursor over here, and you'll see some options that will pop up. The top button gets saved on the button and the mid button. You click on the button, and it'll take you to steps. So I'm going to go with Start With You, make a donation. You're going to click on that, and it will say Stop Now. Click Stop Now. And then go to what is next. When we like this button to some people, when customers click the button, they will be taken to a place where they can take an action of offer more information. Then you need to choose website link, where some people do a website you choose. Click on that, and then you add new website, the aiming website. Let's pretend that my website link is not on here. There we go. Then you get the new event.com. Okay, and then once you done, hit save, and then down here where it says finish, you click finish. So I'm gonna save this, and then pretend to click finish from that. Okay, so I'm going to acknowledge it, and that's how you set up the Stop Now button. So I'm going to click the Stop Now, and is that good? Okay, and then I'm gonna go over here. I'm going to view a page editor. And you see the Stop Now button and the sound message. And I click on the Stop Now button, and that will take me to my event store. So I hope that this helps, and that's how you add the Stop Now button